Welcome to NIC, your in-force data and policy services partner. In this video, you'll learn how to set policy watch notifications on a list of policies or even your entire in-force book. Setting a policy watch notification will alert you to policy changes as they happen, enabling you to take proactive steps when required. Here are a few examples. Say you have a number of clients with very large cash values in your universal life policies, and you want to be notified of any significant changes in their cash value so that you can preempt any client calls. To start seeing notifications on a list of policies, the list will need to be created first. On the life policy screen, open the product filter and select Universal Life Policies. Next, use the scroll bar to scroll all the way to the right until you see the gross cash value column. Then click on it twice to sort the column from largest to smallest. Once you're done, use the scroll bar again to return to the beginning of the columns. Click on this checkbox to select your top cash value policies. From here, select Add to List. Make sure to give the list a name and a purpose so that you remember why you created this list if you ever need to come back to it later. Once you're done, click Proceed, and your list will be created. Creating the list will automatically navigate you to the list screen. Here, click on the Actions button on your newly created list. Then select Policy Watch. From here, add a Policy Watch notification for any cash values with a change of greater than 20%. Next, click Create. And now you will receive both an email and an in-app notification if there's any change in cash value greater than 20% on any of those 50 policies in that list. Another example is the following. Say that you want to be notified in advance anytime there's a change in the policy status for your entire book of business. You can create a list of your entire in-force book by going back to the life policy grid to see all of your policies. From here, click on this checkbox as well as the underlined message to select all records, then click on Add to List. Name your list something along the lines of My In-Force Book for January 2026. Next, add a purpose, then click Proceed. This will bring us back to the list screen, where you can add a Policy Watch notification for this list. From here, select the policy status option, and now you will be notified via email and through an in-app notification anytime there is a status change on your policy so that you can be proactive and get in front of your client. By setting Policy Watch notifications on lists, you can stay ahead of important policy changes, spark timely client conversations, and deliver proactive service that helps strengthen and retain your client relationships. Thanks for being a NIC subscriber. Be sure to watch our additional videos to learn about how NIC can have a positive impact on your business.